Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we're diving into an important question for many aspiring and experienced farmers. Just how much money can you make from 1 acre of maize farming? This topic is crucial for anyone considering maize as a profitable crop, whether you're starting out or looking to maximize your returns. As we explore the factors that influence maize profitability, feel free to share your questions and thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for the farming community. Maize farming has seen a remarkable surge in popularity in recent years, becoming a cornerstone of agricultural production worldwide. Its adaptability to diverse climates and soils makes it a preferred crop for many farmers. Locally, maize serves as a staple food and a vital source of income for countless communities. On a global scale, maize is a key ingredient in animal feed, biofuels, and various industrial products, underscoring its economic importance. This widespread demand continues to drive innovation and investment in maize cultivation across the globe. Starting maize cultivation on 1 acre requires careful planning and preparation. The land should be cleared of weeds and debris, then plowed and leveled to ensure good soil structure and drainage. Selecting high-quality, disease-resistant maize seeds suited to the local environment is crucial for a successful crop. Maize thrives in warm climates with well-distributed rainfall, ideally between 500 and 800 millimeters during the growing season. Ensuring these basic requirements are met lays a strong foundation for healthy maize growth and optimal yields. Maize farming involves several key expenses per acre. The cost of seeds is typically one of the first investments, followed by fertilizers to ensure healthy crop growth. Labor expenses cover activities like land preparation, planting, weeding, and harvesting. Irrigation costs depend on the water source and frequency needed throughout the growing season. Additionally, pest control measures, such as pesticides or integrated pest management, are necessary to protect the crop and can add to the overall budget. Under optimal conditions, maize yields can reach impressive levels, often averaging between 120 to 200 bushels per acre, depending on the region and hybrid used. These figures assume ideal soil fertility, sufficient rainfall or irrigation, and effective pest and disease management. Productivity is also influenced by factors such as planting density, timely fertilization, and the use of high-quality seeds. Additionally, climate conditions and proper weed control play significant roles in maximizing yield. When all these elements align, farmers can consistently achieve high maize production per acre. Current market prices for maize can vary significantly depending on factors such as supply, demand, and regional conditions. Typically, prices tend to rise during the off-season when supply is lower, and decrease during harvest periods when the market is flooded with fresh crops. These seasonal fluctuations mean that timing plays a crucial role in maximizing potential earnings for maize producers. Understanding local and global market trends can help farmers make informed decisions about when to sell their harvest. By strategically planning sales, producers can take advantage of higher prices and improve their overall profitability. To estimate the gross income from selling maize harvested from 1 acre, we start by considering average yield and market prices. In many regions, a typical maize yield per acre ranges from 20 to 30 bags, with each bag weighing 90 kilograms. Assuming a moderate yield of 25 bags per acre, this amounts to 2,250 kilograms of maize. If the current market price is about 25 cents per kilogram, the total gross income from 1 acre would be approximately $562.50. These figures can vary based on local conditions, input quality, and market fluctuations. To calculate the net profit from 1 acre of maize, start by determining the gross income, which is the total revenue generated from selling the maize harvest. Next, subtract all production costs, including expenses for seeds, fertilizers, labor, irrigation, and any other inputs required throughout the growing season. The result is the net profit, representing the actual earnings after covering all necessary expenditures. This figure provides a clear picture of the financial return from cultivating 1 acre of maize. Beyond traditional maize sales, There are several ways to enhance profitability. Adding value to maize, such as processing it into flour or animal feed, can command higher prices in the market. Direct marketing strategies, like selling directly to consumers or local businesses, help eliminate intermediaries and increase margins. Additionally, exploring the sale of maize byproducts, such as husks for animal bedding or biofuel, opens up new revenue streams. These approaches not only diversify income, but also make the most of every part of the maize crop. To maximize maize yield and profit, it's essential to start with high-quality seeds suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Implementing crop rotation and timely planting helps maintain soil fertility and reduces pest risks. Efficient use of fertilizers and irrigation ensures that plants receive the nutrients and water they need without unnecessary waste. Regular monitoring for pests and diseases allows for early intervention, protecting your crop. Finally, keeping detailed records of expenses and yields supports smarter decisions for future seasons, helping you optimize both productivity and profitability. Maize farmers often encounter a range of challenges, including unpredictable weather, pest infestations, and fluctuating market prices. Limited access to quality seeds and fertilizers can also hinder crop yields. To overcome these obstacles, farmers can adopt resilient seed varieties, implement integrated pest management, and utilize modern farming techniques. Establishing cooperatives can help secure better prices and improve bargaining power in the market. By embracing these strategies, maize farmers can enhance productivity and achieve more stable financial returns. The potential earnings from 1 acre of maize can vary widely, depending on factors like seed quality, farming practices, and local market prices. On average, a well-managed acre can yield a significant profit after accounting for input costs, such as seeds, fertilizer, and labor. Some farmers report making several hundred to a few $1,000s per acre, especially when market conditions are favorable. Results can differ from region to region, so it's important to consider local circumstances. If you have personal experiences or questions about maize farming profits, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your interest in advancing your farming knowledge with SMART-AGRI Hub. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest insights and tips. Stay tuned for upcoming content focused on profitable agriculture, where we'll explore new strategies and innovations to help your farm thrive.